Welcome. In front of me is an INFINIX Note 40 Pro Plus, and today I will show you how you can record screen on this phone. So to get started, you will want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen, and somewhere here between the toggles you will find a screen recording button, which for me this is the one right here. Now I will point out that there are two sides, so if you swipe from the left you get the notifications, if you slide from the right you get the actual toggle panel. So make sure you do it from the right side of the screen. Anyway, once you see this little camera icon right here, you can just click on it and click on OK. And while using the app, and this will then bring up the panel right here with a couple options. Obviously the first one, the red one, is the start recording. I don't have folder, which takes you to the folder which will contain only the screen recordings. Next we have settings button and close. I'm gonna begin recording. Once you saved or stopped the recording, it will get automatically saved to your Photos application, or as it's called right here, AI Gallery. Let's also close this. And in here, you can navigate to Albums, and in Albums you'll find a new album called Screen Recording. And here is the recording that I have captured a moment ago. Now I also want to point out while this is playing back that there is some limitation to this. Sometimes you might encounter applications that will block the screen recorder and it doesn't actually give you any notifications. So what you will find is when playing back the recording, it will just present you with a straight up black screen. So just know that if you encounter such an application, there's nothing that you can do about it. If an app decides that it wants to block it, then that's it. It's blocked and there's no setting for it. And just to kind of clarify this is used for privacy and security of the user, though it's being misused, I would consider, scammily by applications that have zero freaking reason to be using this, like Netflix. Obviously, they're not using that for privacy and security of yours, they're using it for privacy and security of theirs on your phone. Which, no, go screw yourself. So I do have a problem with that personally, as it's a setting that application can just enable and you have nothing to say about it on your own phone. So if an app decides to, it can limit functionality of your device, which it's your phone, not theirs. So yeah. Now I do also want to give the other spectrum of this. So a good part of this kind of feature is, for instance, with bank applications. If you would happen to have some kind of virus on your device that is just trying to screen pin what the passwords you use are, for instance, for your bank application, then they would not be able to do so with this kind of feature, as banks do use this kind of screen pinning block kind of thing. So said malware would just get a straight up black screen without even knowing what you're pressing or what the application even looks like. So in this case, you can imagine it is protecting you. But anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.